Hi guys, so on this new video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram problem. So first thing, go into the settings, open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now all what you want to do is scroll until you find Telegram and click on it like that. Click on force stop and then click on data usage. After that, enable all these options, go back again, click on storage, click on clear cache and then go back, click on data usage, make sure that all these options are enabled as we said, and then go to the power usage details, click down here on force stop, go back to the settings on your phone, click on wireless, add networks, and after that enable the airplane mode for 20 seconds and after that disable it. And then all what you want to do is just restart your phone. So that's it, very simple as you can see. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.